Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Clarion housing account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Clarion housing login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll get to this page. On this page, click on My Account button at top right corner. On this pop-up, you'll have to provide your email address and your password. And if you don't have an online account, you can register for one by clicking on this button. Now go ahead and enter your email address. After that, enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this Show Password button. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to reset your password. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I will catch you on the next one.